Welcome to Opsole Migrate demo. Opsole Migrate is a streamlined, purpose-built solution designed for modern device migration. Supported migrations are Active Directory Join Device to Entra ID, Hybrid Entra Join Device to Entra ID, Entra Join Device to different Microsoft tenant. Let's get started. For this demonstration, we are using a Windows 11 device with hostname NY, device 02. The signed-in user is Kim German. Next, we will open the Accounts section and access work or school. This device is joined to Active Directory and is hybrid Entra joined, managed under Microsoft Intune. Now, let's review the Microsoft Entra portal to view the device and its details. In the Entra portal, the device NY device 02 is listed as Microsoft Entra Hybrid Joined. The owner is the currently logged-in user, and the device is managed by Microsoft Intune. In the Intune portal, the device NY device 02 is successfully on board. The currently logged-in user is assigned as the primary user. Now, let's move to the Opsole Migrate application portal. This is the Opsole Migrate portal. During customer onboarding, the first step is to select the migration option. In this demo, we are choosing the migration path from a hybrid join device to Microsoft Entra. Once the required configuration completed, the next step is to download the migration installer from the portal's download page. Once the migration starts on the client device, the device appears in the portal under the migration section. From the portal, administrators can monitor the migration status in real time and view device details. Also, the admins can track live application logs throughout the process. Now that we have verified the environment, let's start the device migration using Opsole Migrate. On this client device, user-specific files and data are stored locally. The user has folders and files saved on the desktop containing important working data. Outlook is already configured with the user's email account on this device. The mailbox is fully set up and contains existing emails and historical data. The Opsole Migrate application can be delivered to client machines via Microsoft Intune, other MDM solutions, or manual installation. Once the application is installed, the user can search for Opsole Migrate and launch the application. The Opsole Migrate preparation window appears, where the user can click Start Preparation to begin the process. The Opsole Migrate Setup wizard launches, and the user can click to start the prerequisite checks. Once the prerequisite checks are complete, the user can click Next to begin the device migration process. To begin, click the Start Migration button, which initiates the migration process. As the migration continues, we'll switch to the Opsole Migrate portal to monitor the process in real time. In the portal's migration section, the device now appears. Here, we can view detailed device information such as the logged-in user, device name, and real-time status updates along with the live migration logs, allowing admins to monitor the process even when the device is in a remote location. Returning to the device, the initial migration stage is complete. Click Close to proceed, and the system will reboot to continue the process. After the reboot, the migration continues in the background with user login temporarily disabled. Users should not attempt to sign in during this stage. A second automatic reboot follows to complete the next phase. After the automatic reboot, a welcome message appears on the screen, and the user is prompted to sign in using their Entra ID credentials. Enter the user's Microsoft Entra ID credentials and sign in to continue. After sign in, the user can see that the profile has been restored. The migration wizard then appears, prompting the user to continue the migration process. The migration process now proceeds to the final stage. Close the migration wizard once the migration is successful. Once the migration is complete, we open the Accounts section to verify the device settings. Here, we can see that the device is joined to Microsoft Entra ID and fully on board. Now we can see that the user-specific files and data stored locally on the client device have been successfully migrated and restored. The user's Outlook data has been seamlessly restored to its original state, including existing emails, folders, and mailbox settings. Now, let's move to the Opsole Migrate portal to review the migration details. In the portal, the migration status is shown as completed. Expanding the device entry displays detailed migration information, including the duration, device details, and user information. Now, let's review the Entra portal to view the device and its details. In the Entra portal, the device is listed as Microsoft Entra Joined. The migration is successful, with Kim German as the signed-in owner and the device managed by Microsoft Intune. In the Intune portal, the device is successfully on board. The currently signed-in user, Kim German, is assigned as the primary user. In this demo, using OpsoleMigrate, we successfully migrated a hybrid Entra Join device to Entra Joined, while preserving user data, including the Outlook profile. Thank you for watching the OpsoleMigrate demo. For more information, please visit opsole.com.